Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Lowe's. We're shopping at the gift zone from Lowe's, the tool section, the power tool section to be exact. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Pretty much we got the gift zone here from Lowe's. We do have some deals here we can get. So once we click on it, and then you go back down to you either can shop by brand. I just should put shop bought tools. Alright, the first one that I'm probably the best deal out of all these is this one. Your mileage may vary. It just depends on where you're at. I do have like detailed coverage on this deal on my other videos if I can link it up above. But yeah, pretty much some of them you can get them down to like $200, 170, and even 145 or 148 in some states, some Lobes. So it just depends on where you're at. Like I said, I'll leave the link up above and let you guys know how you guys can get that deal. On my store here, you have to add it to the cart, and I believe it comes down to $204. So that's one of my stores that actually I think that's the only store that it goes down that low. Anyways, we got the miter saw. It's a 15-inch, 15 amp, or my bad, 12-inch, 15 amp warm drive, 12 bevel compass miter saw for $3.99. This is another kit that was on the deals. Like I said, your mileage may vary. Just depends on where you live. On this one, you see the regular price on this Lowe's here. Let me just close this down here. You got DeWalt 5 amp hour 119. Then again, I wouldn't get this. I would wait for the deals. I know the Christmas deals are coming up, so there's gonna be a lot of free battery deals going on. So watch out for those. Got the Kobach 42-inch 13 drawer chest, $4.98. Still not a bad deal. They might be lower. Who knows? So, but yeah, $4.98 is a good price. Definitely a great price there. $3.99 for the Craftsman 2000 series. And then they got this kit, guys. This kit's gonna be up above. It's not gonna be this kit right here. It's gonna be up above on the tool section, but on the warehouse where they have all the storage up above the aisles. So you're gonna have to look it up if you want this kit. This kit's a great deal. You save 25%, $3.99 deal. You get it down to $2.99. It does include the oscillating tool, the XR oscillating tool, the brushless jigsaw, and the brushless sander there. And then you get a 4 amp hour there for you guys. And then we got a charger and a bag. It's a really nice bag here. It's a great deal. Even these tools this tool by themselves is like $200. This one's like $130, $140, and this one another $120, $130. So you're getting a lot already for this deal here. So $189 for this 2000 series toolbox. Not the best, but for DIYs, it'll work. You got some brushless tools, $4.99. Let's see here. All these are brushless actually, so it's not too bad. Not a bad deal. You got another one on clearance. If you're a DIY homeowner, just do some DIY projects around the house, this is great for you. $169 will get you going. You got a circular saw, a drill driver, reciprocating saw. Looks like a charger in a bag. A charger in a bag and a battery there. 2 batteries to be exact. So definitely recommend this for you if you're like just a DIY. $179 for the XR. Let's see here. We got any more deals here at the bottom. This was a good deal. I know some guys, or some people have been seeing this for $50, $60 in some Lobes. So just 99 is a great deal still, but some people saw it for like 60 something. So that's a smoking deal there. So always watch out. Always go to the store, scan it. If you're interested in that product, go online, look for the inventory and see what the prices are on those. You got the 10 tool 20 volts power tool combo kit with soft case. These are brush tools, so just keep that in mind. Not necessarily bad, but they are older brushed tools. This is the brushless reciprocating saw. It's a variable speed 179. You got the Craftsman 1000 series 26 inch by 32. 4-drawer steel rolling cabinet 119. You got the stainless here, really nice. Of course, it's pricey, but it's really nice still. Alright, this is one of the better deals for the DIY, guys. These are brushless tools for $125. You get an impact driver, a hammer drill. Yeah, this is a hammer drill, I believe. So this is a 20 volt. Let me just look at it real quick. Soft case, Kobach, tools. Yeah, hammer drill. Guys, this is a smoking deal here. You get a 4 amp hour battery. You get an impact driver, a brushless impact driver. Really nice. And then you got a hammer drill with the handle there. So that is a great deal for $125. Let me tell you. You know, for another $20-$30, you can just buy a second battery, like a 2 amp hour battery or something, and you know, have that completed. Another that's on clearance. It's this one, the Black & Decker 4 tool combo kit, 116. Then again, this is for very light duty use, DIY, nothing major. So if you just need quick tools around the house, maybe in a small apartment or something. Well, not an apartment, but you know, you just moving into a house or something like that. You just want something basic. 116 will get you going. But if you're getting a little bit more serious, I would definitely go with another brand. Maybe the Porter cable on the top. You got the viewing price card. I guess, let's see. This is one of the newer ones. Power detect, I think. Is this the power detect? Yeah, does it give me an option? Let's see here. So allow. Alright. Add to cart. See the price on this thing. So $199. What is this? Yeah, I guess it's $199. They're gonna be running deals. I don't know if, yeah, I think in my last video, as you guys see, it's $204 on that store for that hammer drill kit and the impact driver. They were running some deals. Oh yeah, that's how it is. My bad. So what happens with this? You add it to the cart and it gives you that free battery. Because I was saying, why don't they just give you the free battery here? You know. But yeah, you get a free battery. You get a free 5 amp hour battery with the purchase of any XR tool. That's in the store and online. So you get this tool for $199. You get this tool for $199, and then you get this battery for free. So they discounted $119. It's definitely a great total, $403. But yeah, again, this is just my store only. Your mileage may vary on that. But yeah, all XR tools power detect. They do have the power detect here on the top sticker thing. They do qualify for that deal. So just make sure you guys, if you guys want to look into that or already have the DeWalt, you got the table saw here, Delta, really nice table saw here. Wish I could afford something like that. But then again, I'm not going to use it. You know, I'm not really heavy duty carpenter. You got what is this, a power? You got 8 tool combo kit. Yeah, this is another great deal here for the DIY, but then again, these are brush tools. Just keep that in mind. These are lower grade tools. They'll still get the job done, but they're not brushless. Like this one. This is the brushless 20 volt max variable speed cordless hammer drill, 2 batteries included, $129. Great deal on those. It's another great deal on this one too. You got the XR2 tool 20 volt max power tool combo kit, soft case, charger included. You got the Hexa 139. That's a 12 volt, by the way. Got the miter saw. It's a 7 1/4 for $279. Nice, not too bad. I like the Cobalt miter saw that they have, the battery operated. Let's see here. See, for $129 you get a hammer drill, an impact driver, and a battery in the bag for $30 more on the other deal. So you guys are starting to see the pattern here. Just gotta watch out, you know, get the better deals. This is an impact driver. I believe this is the 887. No, it's not. Is it? I think so. It could be the 887. Is it the brushless? Yeah, it's the brushless. One for $129 you get 2 batteries and a charge. It's not a bad deal. $5.99. I mean the miter saw there, and let's see here. This is the one that I was telling you guys. This is the 10-inch 15 amp compact corded miter. Oh, this is the corded version. Yeah, the cordless version I believe is like $279, and that's the one that you get a free battery with. So if you guys haven't seen my video of all those deals, I do have a video up there. I'll see if I can link it up above or something like that for you guys, so you guys get a look at that shopping at Lowe's. So another good deal here. Looks, well, you get 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour battery, so it's an okay deal. $349. Get the XR tools. I just wish they include a hammer drill. That would be nice. This is the one that I was. Nope, this is not the one. This is the 7 1/4 10-inch. It's the corded version. So then again, it's a corded version. It's not the cordless like I was saying before. See, for another $30, you get that deal, and then you add this battery for another $30. You pretty much got it made, you know, on that $129 deal with the drill driver and impact driver with the hammer drill. So this one's the Extreme 12 volts, $99. Got the shop vacs there at $154. Okay, we're not gonna keep this forever. I just want to show you guys what's up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.